This bread really has only 3 ingredients and it has no kneading involved. Make sure to watch till the end so you can make it at home. To start, we are going to add 300 grams of lukewarm water to our mixing bowl. In counting our ingredients, we are only counting store-bought items. So for our first real ingredient, we are going to add 8 grams of kosher salt. After that, we will add 7 grams of dry yeast. If you enjoy the art of bread making and would love to learn more about it, then now would be a great time to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on this topic. And give that all a good whisk together. Remember, all ingredient amounts and instructions are in the description box below. For our flour, the preferred flour is bread flour or a high gluten flour, so to our yeast mixture, add 3 cups of flour. Using a spatula, mix the dough together until a shaggy dough forms. Then place your dough in a separate container or bowl. Cover it and let it rise for 30 minutes. Since we are not kneading our dough, in order to build some gluten, we are going to need to use the stretch and fold method. Start by taking one side of the dough, stretching it out, and then fold it over to the opposite side of the bowl as shown in the video. Do this to each side of the dough until you have gone around the entire bowl. Cover it and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Repeat the stretch and fold method 3 or 4 times, leaving 30 minutes in between each round. In a cast iron skillet, place a large piece of parchment paper and lightly dust it with a bit of flour. Place your ball of dough inside the skillet. I'm going to just simply score it and make an X, but if you'd like to make any designs, now is the time to do so. If you are a fan of homemade bread and sourdoughs, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Using a piece of aluminum foil, cover your dough and make sure it's sealed around the edge. Bake at 450 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes uncovered. After 30 minutes, remove the cover and bake for 10 more minutes at 400 degrees uncovered. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what your favorite type of bread is. If you like this video, then make sure to watch this video on how to make baguettes at home.